With 3 days to go before the start of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, TVJ analyst Edwin gives his prediction of the winners on both sides, the exciting matchups and the possible records he's expecting. Denise Walters has tonight's champs preview.
TVJ track and field analyst Dwayne Extall believes that after several years of being tagged the favourite, this time around, Kingston College have the depth to take it home on the boys' side.
Pinnock with the Class 1 long jump and hurdles. The boys in Class 2, the twins, Gianni and Giovanni Henry, they will carry a big load for KC. Tariq Stennett, Adrian Kerr, Boaji and crewmate, they have a strong hurdles program back again, so they're expecting to get big points in the hurdles, both the sprints and the 400-meter hurdles. They're decent in the throws, so I think they have the wherewithal to withstand Calabar this year.
Extall says the biggest event on the boys' side is the Class 1 800 meters, and the likes of Tyrese Taylor, Tyrese Reed and Kimar Farquharson can make an attempt at the 33-year-old record.
It depends on when. I think the record, if it should go in the semi-final. I think conditions are favourable then. I think that's when anyone who has ambitions of breaking that record should go for it.
Meanwhile, on the girls' side, he says Edwin Allen will repeat as champions.
But I think Edwin Allen has so much quality, so much depth across the board that it's going to be difficult for Hydel to challenge them.
The biggest event for him in the girls' section, surprisingly, will be in the field.
The track event is a high jump. Janique Berger going up against Samara Distin, Shante Foreman and all those girls in the high jump. I really want to see how well they go. I know everybody's looking forward to Kevona Davis and the Edwin Allen twins, but I think track and field is for us more than just, track. The field events is going to be good.
The March 26 to 30 Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships will be live and exclusive on TVJ, TVJSN and OneSportMedia.com with a live and extensive radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.